grand opening at Sturgis for Bike Week. And just when we thought we were getting ahead of the build,
holy mount the hydraulic fluid. It is all over the place. I have so much hydraulic fluid, there is no way I'm gonna be able to get this floor done. Fluid on the wall, I got it on the floor here, I got it on the floor here, I got it on the crew in the back. Last thing I want to do is have to grind this floor and take the time it takes to do that. Now I got to do it a second time. And before I can do that, I got to make sure I pick up the hydraulic fluid that's on the ground, and I got to make sure I do it the right way. But we need to get it done now. This time, it's on me. So we got all the oil out, we got the concrete dry, thank God. Have to regrind it before surface to surface can even think about laying down the epoxy. And on that note, I'm gonna have to get some Excedrin because I've got a headache about that big. Surface to surface, laid down a beautiful EPOXY2U floor.
Since they're adding a motorcycle bay here, Russell wanted that bay to stand out more than all the other bays.
I love it. You come in here with a bike and you see a floor like this, you go, damn, that's a step above all the other knuckleheads. Where you're standing, we had a little bit of a run-in with the old hydraulic lift.
Why? What happened?
It was like we struck oil.
like a geyser.
They just finished grinding the floor, so it backed us up with that too. So everything has been fighting us every step of the way. So now in here, we have the alignment rack set up, the extra tank, and the motorcycle lift, which is something he did not have before.
And we actually separated the epoxy on the floor to designate the motorcycle area versus the alignment area.
We put the metal fusion, metal epoxy floor underneath here.
Well, this is rad. I mean, I really like it. I like the whole setup. I'd work here.